So we've been presented with another type of question here, and it says to write the numbers in numerals, then order them from smallest to largest. So I've underlined some key vocabulary that you need to make sure you know the meaning of. So numerals is basically just another way of saying a figure, a symbol, just telling us it's a number. And we've also got other vocabulary that you could use. So I'm just going to write this quickly. So numeral can also mean a number, and another posh word is integer. Okay, they mean exactly the same thing. It's just a posh word for number. Okay, then we're going to order them from smallest to largest. So we need to make sure that we understand what that means. So we've been presented here with a pictorial representation of a number. So we can see that the first three dots here equate to, I'm just going to get a pen for you. So we've got 3 million. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 500,000. We've got 1 10,000, and we've got 4,000s being represented here. We've got 100s. We've got 4 10s, and we've got 2 1s. So I'm just going to write that number out. So 3,514,000 and 142. So you might be able to spot that commas go after every 3 digits. So we work from the ones and count back 1, 2, 3, comma 1, 2, 3, comma. Let's have a look at the next question. So we've been given another pictorial representation of this question. We can see we've got some circles and bubbles. We've been given 2 circles, so the empty one means that's where the answer goes. So all I've got to do is add these two together. So we've got 3,500,000 plus 11,142. So that's pretty straightforward. So we've got 3 million, comma. Then we've got the 500 and the 11, which is going to give me 511,000. And then I can just simply finish that off. So it's 142. So I'm going to write that now over here. So 3,511,142. Then I'm going to move on to the next one. So we've got 3,510,000, and then we've got 4,124. So now I need to add those together. So the 3 million is going to stay as it is. Then we've got 510, and then we've got a 4. So I'm going to add those together. So 510 add the 4,000 is 514,000. And then we've just got the hundreds, tens, and ones. So 1, 2, 4. So now I'm just going to write that number here. So 3,514,124. Now the question is not over, remember, because there's a second part. So we've not ordered them from smallest to largest. So let's just refresh ourselves. So from smallest to largest. So let's have a look. Now they've all got a 3 in the millions column. So I need to move on to the next digit. They've all got a 5. So that's not helping me at the moment. Now we have got a 1 and a 1 and a 1. So we can't use that one. Then we've got a 4, a 1 and a 4. Now that can tell me pretty quickly that 3,511,142 is the smallest figure there. So I'm going to cross that out now, so I don't need to look at it anymore. And then I'm going to have a look at the next digit. So we've got a 1, a 1. So it's not going to help me there. So I'm now going to have a look at the next digit. We've got 42, and that's pretty obvious now. 3,514,124, because remember this is all about the smallest to largest. And then my last number is 3,514,142. 2.